Let's talk about how to front squat. So the bar rests across your front delts. Keep your elbows high like you're showing off your biceps. Keep a full grip if you have the mobility in your wrists, or use your fingertips. Feet is shoulder width apart. Sit down like a normal squat, but fight to keep your chest up tall. If your elbows drop, the bar rolls off. Keep this in mind. If your chest falls, the bar falls. If you do the front squat right, your quads will have a nice burn. You'll keep your core tight, and your upper back works just fine. If you do the front squat wrong, then the bar will roll off, your knees cave in. What is the point of front squatting? So some of the benefits of front squatting is increased quad development, core strength. Front squats is also a safer option for those dealing with lower back issues due to the upright torso position and reduced spinal compression. Lastly, the front squats also help strengthen the spinal erectors, which are responsible for keeping your back upright.